Dear children, today once more I am here focusing on the chapter 7 once more. Then I'll proceed to other revision also. So, yesterday I have heard the video that negative and positive sentences, negative and positive sentence, and just we will have a revision today. Sentences that tell something are called positive sentence. I told you something that always say the right things, good things. I told you that we call a positive sentence. Same thing, negative sentences. What is incorrect, what is not true, that means a negative sentences. Also, so many 10 examples I already read out for you, and again state whether these sentences are positive or negative. That exercise I just revised yesterday. And rewrite the page number 19. Rewrite the positive sentences given below into negative sentences. Just one example was there, rest I have done to you. Now next, moving to the page 20, there are also plenty of examples are there. Now there C, you see there C, chapter chapter 7, page 20. So change the positive sentences given below into negative sentences. Change the positive sentences into negative sentences. I am going to Mumbai today. I am not going to Mumbai today. First one. The second one, they were sleeping on the roof. They are not sleeping on the roof. Third one, the baby was crying due to hunger. The baby was not crying due to hunger. Fourth, Mr. Sharma is attending a meeting. Mr. Sharma is not attending a meeting. Fifth one, the leaves are falling from the tree. The leaves are not falling from the tree. The postman were delivering the letters. The postman were not delivering the letters. It was raining hard yesterday. It was not raining hard yesterday. Shiba is skipping in the park. Shiba is not skipping in the park. The farmers are sowing seeds. The farmers are not sowing seeds. The gardener is watering the plants. The gardener is not watering the plants. So, children, these are the negative sentences. First, I told you one example is there. Those are all given a positive sentence. Now you have to turn into a negative sentence. And negative sentences I told you, which is incorrect, not true, which is not right, those are called negative sentences. That is already we finished that chapter. Now continuation of that is a revision. Now 21 you take out. 21 page 21. Page 21 you take out. We use not, with, do, does and did to change the positive sentences into negative sentences. We use not, with, do, does and did to change the positive sentences into negative sentences. Now you remember here, when we are changing the positive sentences into negative, we have to remember that use of not, do, does and did. These three things, four things we have to remember. Down there are so many positive sentences. Because of that exercise we have to remember here. Now read the positive and negative sentences given below. Now first I will read the positive sentences, then I will go to the negative sentences. First I will read one, then the next the answer. I drink apple juice. I do not. See here how we are using do. I do not drink apple juice. I do not drink apple juice. I drink apple juice here. And the negative sentence I do not. Can you just see here how the do is used here? How we make use of the do in the negative sentences? Incorrect, not true in that sentence. Now next, coming to the second one, we wa- we watch films. That is yes is removed, wrong spelling. That is he watch he watches film. Correct. Okay, he watches films. Now coming to he does not, when it is he, you have to write there he does not watch films. He does not. Does, how the he does, she does. Always remember he does, she does. Okay, does is used here. Now coming to the third sentence, they play hockey. They play hockey. They, so many, plural. They do not. See how it is do and not is used in the negative sentence. They do not play hockey. They do not play hockey. Here you see I told you how it is comes the negative sentence to use the do and not. Now next, fourth one, he knew me well. He knew me well. He did not know me well. He did not know me well. Here did and not. Did and not. Both are used, isn't it? In the negative sentences. Now, fifth one. We played chess yesterday. We did not play chess yesterday. We did not play chess yesterday. Sixth one. She eats rice and curry. She does not eat rice and curry. She does not. He did not. He does. Now, how these are used in the negative sentences? Now, coming to the exercise there. Coming to the exercise there, D, page 121. Exercise D. Change the positive sentences given below into negative sentences. These are all positive sentences. So many sentences are there, up to 10. They are all positive sentence. You have to use in a negative sentence now. Now, I play the piano every day. So you have to use there in these sentences not, do, does, did. I do not play the piano every day. I do not. You have to use I do not play the piano every day. Okay. Now coming into the second sentence, we eat rice and fish curry every day. We don't, we here, we do not eat rice and fish curry every day. We do not eat rice and fish curry every day. My friends gave me gifts. My friends did not give me gifts. My friend did not give me gifts. Did not. I love sweets. I do not like sweets. I do not like sweets. My best friend is upstairs. My best friend is upstairs. My best friend is not in upstairs. My best friend is not in upstairs. So these are the sentences. Again, sixth one. She baked a cake. She baked a cake. She baked sheer. She did not. Where it is coming to the sixth one. She baked a cake. She doesn't bake a cake. She doesn't bake a cake. Subhash finds science easier than mathematics. Subhash do not find science easier than mathematics. Do not. He wakes up early in the morning. He does not wake up early in the morning. He does not wake up early in the morning. Ninth one. The thieves stole all the money. The thieves did not steal all the money. The thieves did not steal all the money. He played with his friends yesterday. He did not play with his friends yesterday. So this much you do it. Exercise. I told you chapter. Sorry. Page 20, page 21. Complete it correctly. Then rest we will do afterwards. Within a day, I don't want to so many things to finish up. Very shortly, I did that. So what you do is this finish up today. Then I will go further. Then we will start our revision for the semester. Okay. This one semester fully completely over. Only revision part of it left that I will do tomorrow. Okay, children. See, read the grammar nicely. Have a nice day. Keep yourself safe. Okay, bye. See you. God bless you.